guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Educational Child. So guys, today we will learn how to speak English fluently. Mostly people think that how can we become fluent? So that's what I will tell in this video. And guys, the video came late because I was feeling unwell. But something special is about to come for you soon. So now, let's start the video. But before that, if you are new here, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Now, let's learn how to speak fluent English. Every English learner is different, but there are a number of easy ways to improve English. Let's learn with 7 tips to speak fluently. First is don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not to speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers also make mistakes. As you must have heard that human learns only from mistakes. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. But try to reduce mistakes. Second is practice, practice and practice. We have many things to learn. We should learn everything that is of our use. As you have heard, practice makes the man perfect. So do practice. This is a great way to speak English fluently. Let's move on to the next one now. Third is listen. The more you listen, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You will start speaking more fluently in English, learning how to give your opinions in English with new expressions and idioms. And if you want to learn idioms related to New Year, so the video is in I button. Click and watch. Fourth is celebrate success. Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how small it is, will help you to improve your skills. Be proud of your progress. This will increase your motivation and desire to learn English. These first 4 tips help you to start speaking English with ease. The following 3 tips help take your English speaking skills to the next level. Let's learn the rest of the tips now. Fifth is think in English. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. You will find it difficulty at first, but after some time you will learn how to switch between English speaking and your first language. Have you ever noticed that I always say think in English, think in English? Do you know why I say like this? English cannot be learned without thinking. If you want to learn English, so first of all you have to learn how to think in English. If you want to speak English, then first of all you have to think in English. If you don't know how to think in English, so I will make another video related to this. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the video on time. Don't worry, I am always with you. Sixth is talk to yourself. It will look funny, but after talking to yourself in English in front of mirror for each day, you will learn to pronounce every letter in the alphabets and when and how to use different expressions. You will also learn where you make most of the mistakes. Let's see the next one. 7th is tongue twister. As you know, what is tongue twister? So, tongue twister help improve your pronunciation, teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky saying like this: I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. This is one of the major tips for you to speak English fluently. So guys, I hope that you preferred this video. So hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So guys, I will be back soon. Till then, take care of yourself and learn English at home. Bye.